certain that we are all very well aware of what is happening in the world right now, and just as a side note, I wanted to let you all know that I really hope that you're all keeping really safe and healthy. I know we're all in different situations right now in relation to what country we're living in, but I'm pretty sure the majority of us, myself included, are working from home. So I'm a little bit more used to working at home, I guess, than most people are, because a lot of my work is done from home. And one thing I find really helpful when working from home to get yourself into the right mindset is getting up and getting dressed in the morning. I think it is my #1 rule. There are days obviously where, well no, I lie. If I'm working, I'm not in pajamas. I will never stay in pajamas all day long. But there are days where I will just sit in my Lululemons, like my workout leggings and a jumper or something like that. But for the most part, I try my very, very best to get up and get dressed in the morning, because I feel like it puts a routine into your day and puts your head into the right mindset of being productive, getting work done, and just getting into your like regular work mode, if you know what I mean. So I thought I would put together a little outfits of the week video, kind of just showing you what I'm wearing as I'm working from home this week, to give you guys a little bit of inspiration. As I said, I know a lot of you are going to be working from home now for the foreseeable future, and I just wanted to encourage you to get up and get dressed in the morning, even if that's throwing on some loungewear, anything to make yourself feel good. So I thought I could share some inspiration. So I have 5 little outfits for you here. Some are like a little bit more casual, and some are like today a little bit more dressed up, but I hope you enjoy it all the same. And as I said, I hope you're all keeping safe and healthy right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and make sure to click the subscribe button if you want to see some more outfits of the week style videos. Obviously these outfits all kind of apply for the future if you are just working from home, but yeah, I hope you find them helpful anyway, even if it's just for a little bit of style inspiration right now. Let's get straight into the outfits. Good morning everybody, starting off the week here at home with my very first outfits of the week. Work from home outfits of the week. I actually wore this exact outfit at some stage last week, and I just decided to wear it again today because I was really feeling it. I really liked it. It was comfortable, but it still felt really good, and that is, you know, that's the dream for me. So to start from the top, I just have this really nice little, it's a very lightweight knit actually from Mango. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this really nice little kind of like crochet detailing on the front, but it's super thin. It's really, really lightweight, and I really like it. It's got this gorgeous little high neck, and I just have it tucked in then to a pair of pants from Zara. These are like a loose fitted pant. They're really, really comfortable. Look really, really nice with little polo necks, or with obviously baggier jumpers tucked into them. They're going to look really, really nice during the summertime with like maybe a nice little bralette or a shirt or something like that. Do you know what they'd actually look really nice with? A button down cardigan. I think that would look really lovely, like wearing it as a sweater. But anyway, I have the jumper tucked into those, and then I have just kind of like finished it off or accessorized with this little belt, which is from Zara also. Then my shoes are also from Zara. I know obviously I'm not really going anywhere, but I like to just still feel put together anyway. So I threw on these little ankle boots, and I feel like they balance off the outfit really, really nicely. Obviously just giving you a little bit of inspiration for when it's all a little bit easier for us to get out and about. But for now, my house is going to be seeing this outfit, and myself is going to be seeing this outfit, and I'll pop it on Insta stories or something and you guys can see it too. So we're getting dressed up just because today. All of my jewelry is, you know, I wear this all kind of on repeat. So my little pearl studs, I have those on. These here piercings are from Maria Tash. I know an awful lot of you ask me about those. My pearl studs, I got them like in a little boutique years ago, and they just kind of go with everything, so they tend to be a staple in my wardrobe. My nails are Essie Go Ginza, because I know a lot of you will ask me that. I leave all of my makeup linked down below. My watch is Movement, and my rings are Astley Clark and Missoma. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Ireland. I know it's not St. Patrick's Day right now when you're watching this, but it is when I'm filming it. So a very different St. Patrick's Day here this year. I know this isn't anything about my outfit, but usually what we would do on St. Patrick's Day is we'd probably go out for lunch or something, do like a family lunch, and keep things fairly chilled out. We generally don't really go to like parades or anything. However, that isn't really an option this year. All the parades around the country have been cancelled. I'm pretty sure any that have been on around the world have been cancelled too, obviously, and rightfully so, due to everything that's happening at the moment. So I feel like everybody's having a fairly quiet St. Patrick's Day here this year, but I am just kind of around the house today. I'm actually going to do a little little bit of work this morning because obviously I don't have to go anywhere. Later on in the afternoon I probably will just take like a little spin around. Doesn't mean I have to get out of the car or anything. I might take a little walk, but yeah, this is what I'm wearing today though. So keeping things comfy but still got dressed and still feel cute. So I just kind of went for some loungewear today. Whenever I do loungewear, I try to keep it that I still feel really put together in it. I think cute loungewear is my go-to. I've mentioned this a couple of times in vlogs recently, but I don't know if I've mentioned it in like an outfits of the week or an outfit styling kind of video. I've been really kind of gravitating towards more elevated loungewear recently and buying sets and things like that. So this is what I had decided to go for today. So the top and the joggers are both from Zara. The joggers, I'm pretty sure actually a couple of you have mentioned to me this week that they're on sale on the Zara website, so make sure to go check those out if you like them. I have them in a couple of different colors. I have them in this beige and I have them in black as well, just so that I have the options to mix and match them with something. I just love that they're like really comfortable, but they're more tapered in at the ankle, so they still give you a little bit of shape, and they also don't like stick to your legs, because I hate when you get joggers and they are like leggings. That's not the same thing to me. I still need comfort if I'm wearing joggers, but that is what they look like there. I actually get them in a size up just so that I can wear them more high-waisted and so that they're a little bit more loose. And then this here top is just like a really nice little wrap top from Zara. It reminds me of something like a ballerina would wear. It gives me all those ballet vibes. So I think that's why I love it. It also comes in black. Don't know if the white's still available, but I'm pretty sure black was on the website the last time that I looked. So you could definitely recreate this with black on the black. So yeah, that is my outfit today, and my little runners are my Converse, and my jewellery is all the same as usual. If I do decide to go out for a little spin, I'll probably put on a coat. So I will show you what little jacket I will wear. So we're going to go all matchy and I'm going to put on this little suede biker jacket, and this one is from Mango. It was on sale, so it might not still be available if you're to go look for it, but I'll try and find links for something similar down in the description box. But if you already have something like this, I feel like this whole kind of neutral colour palette is really nice for springtime. Good morning everybody, time for today's little work from home outfit of the day. It is super straightforward and super simple, but this kind of outfit is my go-to, and honestly, if I wasn't working from home and I just wanted to pull something together really quickly, this would be what I would go to. I pulled out my mom jeans. I just wanted to wear jeans today, and these ones here are from Zara. I just think when you can just do jeans and a jumper and a pair of boots, you're good to go. And then I just paired them with this really nice little high-necked jumper from River Island. I feel like when you're wearing a pair of jeans, the easiest way to kind of like do something different with them is to wear them with a jumper that has a little bit extra. So this one here has a really lovely kind of like ruffled collar. I don't know if you can see that. And then it has a little ruffle here on the wrist as well, and it's a ribbed sweater, so it has a little bit of texture in it, and I like that. It just gives it something a little bit extra. My belt is from Zara also. I always find that if you're just wearing like jeans and a jumper, a belt is a really nice way to kind of style something up to make it look a little bit kind of like you've put in a little bit more effort even if you're not leaving the house. I just do it for myself, you know. So yeah, we've got my belt, my jeans and my jumper, and then I've paired it with a little pair of black ankle boots. These lace up ankle boots. These are also from Zara, but they're kind of old now. They're not still available, but I will find some similar and link them down in the description box for you, because I wear these all the time. If you are a regular viewer of the channel, these are not new to you. So if I was going anywhere, I would pair it with this leather jacket, and that would be like my outfit of the day, and I'd probably wear this little bag from Zara. So if I was to leave the house, this is what the outfit would look like. So it just goes to show you that when you do style something with a jacket and a bag, how different it can make your look. If I was to pair this with a blazer, it would look totally different, and maybe a different pair of shoes. That is today's outfit of the day, obviously minus the jacket and the handbag. Okay, time for social distancing outfit of the day. Maybe we should start a series of this. So my main rule when working from home is there's going to be days where you put in a little bit more effort than others. There's going to be days where just getting into your nice loungewear is good enough, and then there's going to be days where you're somewhere in between, and this is my somewhere in between. So if you want to be comfortable but you also want to feel put together, get yourself out your knit dresses or knit skirts or just knits out of your wardrobe. Get a knit cardigan, anything like that, and you will feel put together. So I have this little knit dress on from Zara. It is the most comfortable thing in the whole entire world. I just feels so put together when I wear it, but I feel so comfortable. It's a great little layering piece as well. If you were to leave the house and you wanted to go do something, you could throw on a little leather biker jacket with this. You could throw on a cardigan. I'll show you two different ways that I style it, but this is what I'm wearing today and I just feel really good and really comfy in it. So it's just a really lovely little knit tube dress kind of a thing with a high neck that's kind of like a cowl neck almost. Goes down to calf length, and I'm wearing it kind of casual and sporty with a little pair of Converse. You could also put it a little bit more kind of dressed up. You could totally wear this out for dinner with a pair of sandals if you wanted to, and it would look super cute. So if you were to go to something, you could do, maybe if you wanted to just kind of like keep it casual, you could do this cardi. So we could do a nice little slouchy cardi and keep it really comfy, and maybe even throw like a little crossbody bag over and keep things looking cute like that. So that's one way you could style it. Or I always love doing biker jackets with things like this. I think it looks really cool. Even if you wanted to throw on a pair of boots with this, it would look awesome. Like a little pair of lace-up boots like these here. Like imagine that with the outfit. That would be a really cool date night outfit actually, if I'm honest. That is my outfit of the day. All of my jewellery is all the same. My makeup has been the same that it's been all week as well. I haven't changed anything up, so I will make sure to link everything down in the description box for you. Back with my very last little work from home outfit of the week. It is Friday and I have decided that it's Friday. We're gonna get down on Friday, as in downstairs to my office desk. But anyway, I just wanted to get dressed up today because why not? I have this dress sitting in my wardrobe and I want to wear it. I know I'm going to be able to style this dress in so many ways throughout the rest of the year, but for now this is what we're going with. The sun's shining, I'm in a good mood, and I feel like I should dress to mirror that. But anyway, this little wrap dress here is what I went for today. As I mentioned yesterday, knit dresses are the best things in the world when you're working from home if you want to feel dressed up but you also want to feel comfortable, and this little knit dress is the best thing in the whole entire world. So this one is from Mango. Just for size referencing, I sized up one size just so it wasn't so like kind of clingy here, because just with the fabric you probably would be able to see your like underwear lines and stuff like that, but I just sized up in it. It's just a really lovely little cream wrap dress. I don't think you can go wrong with this style of a dress. As I said, there's so many different ways that you can style this. Put it on with a pair of heels, you can wear it with a pair of trainers, so it is like kind of calf length, and today I have styled it with a pair of knee-high boots which are also from Mango. So these ones here are a lovely pair of leather knee-high boots, and I kind of love the idea of wearing a longer boot with a longer skirt as well, especially at this time of the year, because over here in Ireland anyway, it's definitely not warmed up quite yet, but it's still nice to be able to wear dresses, so this kind of gives me the option of doing both. Luckily I don't have to go outside, so I'm not going to be cold, but it keeps my legs warm in the house anyway. So that is my little outfit of the day. Really simple but also very comfortable. All my jewellery and my makeup is the exact same, and I'm gonna go do some work now. So those were all of the outfits that I wore this week for going down to work at my office desk, but I hope you enjoyed it all the same. I have been trying to share my outfits a little bit more over on Insta stories as well, just to kind of show you what I'm wearing throughout the week whilst I'm working at home. So make sure to go and follow me over on Instagram too and share your outfits with me. Let me know what you're wearing, even if it's just some cute loungewear. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit different in comparison to what I would usually be posting when it comes to outfits of the week, but as I said, I hope you enjoyed it all the same. I'm still enjoying getting dressed up in the morning and making the most out of my wardrobe.